think we should punish our criminals the way we punish our children. क्योंकि जो सुसाइड बॉम्बर है उसको डेथ पेनल्टी से क्या डर है ना, तो उसे मुर्गा बनाओ. क्योंकि देखो मौत के लिए वो रेडी है, घर पे बोल के रात को खाना मत बनाना, पर इंटरनेशनल मीडिया के सामने मुर्गा, दैट्स एम्बैरेसिंग, हर्ट हिज ईगो. उसको सोचने में मजबूर करो. 21 साल मैंने इसलिए मेहनत किया था, अभी दुश्मन के सामने आगे मुर्गा बन रहा हूं. इससे अच्छा मैं कॉल सेंटर में काम कर लेता. ऑल्टरनेटिवली अगर कोई बच्चा ज्यादा बदमाशी करे ना, उसे सूली पे चढ़ा दो. सी आई नो इट्स अ रेडिकल आइडिया. आई एम नॉट सेइंग कि हर बच्चे को चढ़ा दो. हर बैच में एक बच्चा. क्लास टीचर गेट्स टू डिसाइड. क्योंकि आज अगर हम एक बच्चे को सूली चढ़ाएंगे ना, तो कल 10 बच्चों को मुर्गा नहीं बनना पड़ेगा. इट्स फॉर द ग्रेटर गुड. थिंक अबाउट इट. पिक्चर दिस. अगर एक क्लासरूम में एक बच्चे सिर्फ पैर से लटक रहे हैं ना, और उसका बेस्ट फ्रेंड जो उसके बगल में बैठता है उसके मुंह पे जूता लग रहा है, तो उस क्लास में पिन ड्रॉप साइलेंस है. See, I know I sound like a psychopath right now. I don't disagree. But I admire criminals. I do. Because criminals are proactive people. You might not like what they do, but at least they get it done. वो घर बैठ के रोते नहीं है, ओ मेरे करियर के साथ क्या हो रहा है. नहीं, रोना बंद कर, छुरा ले, बॉस में डाल. या तो तू जेल जाएगा या फिर तुझे प्रमोशन मिलेगा, तू रोएगा नहीं. And by far my favorite kind of criminals are serial killers. Because serial killers are murderers with consistency. One hit wonder नहीं है. बॉस नहीं हुआ तब भी मार देंगे. Because they're doing it out of love. And my favorite serial killer, I'm very proud to say, comes from my own hometown, Kolkata. Yeah, it's a guy called Stone Man. I'm not making this up. Google it. In the 90s, there used to be a guy who used to kill people just with stones. Now you know the economic condition of a state is bad. When your biggest serial killer can't even afford a knife. But still, what he achieved with limited means blows my mind. वो घर से खाली हाथ निकलता था, क्राइम सीन में आके इम्प्रोवाइज करता था. हाँ, ये आज मेरा साथी. लोग कहते हैं कि पाब्लो एस्कोबार इज द ग्रेटेस्ट क्रिमिनल ऑफ ऑल टाइम. यू नो द कोलंबियन ड्रग लॉर्ड जिसके ऊपर अभी नेटफ्लिक्स ने सीरीज बनाई है. बिकॉज व्हेन ही वाज कॉट apparently he was the 7th richest man in the world. Well, my question is, if he was such a great criminal, how did he get caught? Because the best criminals are those who never get caught. You know who never got caught? Stone Man. Killed 13 people, got bored and retired, leaving his fans hungry for more. Never confessed because he's not doing it for fame. He's doing it for the love of the craft. कोलकाता पुलिस अभी भी पत्थरों में फिंगरप्रिंट ढूंढने जा रही है. नहीं मिलेगा. Stone Man left no stones unturned. I know, again, I'm confessing. I know I might sound completely crazy right now, but at least once in my lifetime, I want to witness a murder live. मतलब मैंने मूवीज और टीवी में देखा है, पर लाइफ का मजा ही अलग है ना. ये फील करो ना आप मैडम मेरे साथ. ये कनेक्शन मुझे मर्डरर के साथ करना है. ये करना है एक बार. But the pity is that they don't release these events on Book My Show anymore. It's all so commercial. So how does a fan of Charles Shobraj like me, how do I find out where he's performing next? There's no way, unless I'm the victim myself, which is not the best seat. और ये मूवीज और यूट्यूब वगैरह में ये मर्डर्स प्रैक्टिकल दिखाते भी नहीं है. Because you must have seen that in the movies they always show that murder primarily 3 kind of murder weapons ही होते हैं. Guns, knives, and pillows. How the hell do you kill anybody with a pillow? I've heard polyester can give you rashes, but cotton can cause death. How do you kill anybody? You can't, because see, a prerequisite of a pillow murder is that your victim needs to be horizontal. Because if your victim is standing up, can't kill him with a pillow. He'll keep moving. How much will you chase? You have other appointments. What kind of a murder weapon is this where the murderer has to keep track of the victim's sleep cycle? Murderer ki maa hai. How the hell do you kill anybody with a knife? How are you so sure that this knife is sharp enough to kill this human? Might not be, no. What if I try to kill you with a knife, you don't die, and then you kill me with a pillow? Why is this embarrassing? And I would never ever kill anybody with a gun. Because guns are bloody expensive. 90,000 rupees per piece. Why would I spend so much for a person I don't even like? I would rather forgive that person. Friendship is cheaper than revenge. Unless I'm killing my wife or something as a birthday gift. Otherwise I won't. क्योंकि सिर्फ गन खरीदने से नहीं होगा. I also have to buy bullets. जो लूज नहीं बिकते. So if I have to kill one person, I have to buy 1 kg of bullets, which promotes terrorism. Because मुझे मारना था एक इंसान, पर बाकी वेस्ट थोड़ी करूँगा. तो मारते हैं क्या फैमिली को? Although I do have a problem with the name that the regressive Kolkata media came up with, Stone Man. They just assumed it can't be a woman. What are we saying? A woman can't kill 13 people? There are other examples. Another favorite serial killer of mine, a Japanese serial killer, Yuki Ishikawa. She, in just her 40s, she killed 103 children. All by herself. So I think till further evidence comes, we should call it Stone Person. I've seen this, that in movies they always show that primarily there are 3 kinds of murder weapons: guns, knives, and pillows. Somebody has seen my set before. You know, I have aspirations to be a serial killer as well. And I want to kill those people who watch the same show and come back and then repeat my punchline while I'm recording. In fact, I have a surprise for you. I am a serial killer and I am Stone Man, okay? I have come prepared. I can do it right now. Asshole. मैंने कैमरास लगा के रखे हुए रिकॉर्ड करने के लिए. ये लाइन मेरे को लास्ट में करना था, पत्थर मेरे को लास्ट में दिखाना था. पिलोस, पिलोस, पिलो अपने मुंह पे ले और खुद को मार.
पहला नशा, पहला खुमार, नया प्यार है, नया इंतजार. एक लड़की को देखा तो ऐसा लगा जैसे खिलता गुलाब जैसे. पल ये है प्यार के पल, चल आ मेरे संग चल.